Hello everyone, welcome to some basic tech, and today we are going to perform uh, one of Nginx images to container, and then it's going to be run, and we will try to access on 8080 port. And what is the requirement? We have to create personal access token on Docker, and then log in on the Docker, fetch the Nginx latest image, and then run the container and try to execute on web. Okay, so this is the our requirement. Now what I have to do, just go to the page where Docker is logged in. You can log in your Docker account. Okay, and then here you need to go in the account settings, and then go to the personal access tokens from left side, and then click to generate new token. This is the very easiest way to click, and to provide CLI access I just have to use it, and you can define the expiry date and permission as well. So I'm giving the full access, read, write, execute. It means delete. Okay, now click to generate, and this is just for educational purpose. I will delete this after utilizing. Okay, so just copy and go to VS Code, update the entry, and paste it. So we can utilize Docker password as well, but that is not the standard way. So I'm just using personal access token. Okay. Now the username password password in the sense personal access token is updated, and the rest of things is already updated. If you want to see, you can just check these things. Okay. Now I'm going to click, and before clicking we need to be sure that our Docker service is running in our system, so it won't create any mesh. And you can see in the images sections, in the container sections, nothing is running. Okay, let's go back to the VS Code and just execute it, and let's wait for the results. So the first is logging to the Docker hub and pulling images. Failed to pull images, 401, client error for Docker, incorrect username or password. Okay, now the access token is defined, but unfortunately it is not picking. Let me re-verify. It says ZI, and look like it's the same, but still not working. Let me copy and paste again. Maybe something is missing. Okay, all good. The rest of things is already good. I was tried old tokens here, but let me restore. Let's regenerate and see if it is working or not. Failed to pull images, 401, client HTTP plus Docker local pipeline images create. Authentication required, incorrect username or password. Okay, uh, let me authenticate on CLI as well to make sure if it is syncing through the CLI credentials. However, it should work, but still I'm checking. Okay, so in CLI I'm successfully logged in. It means the credential is perfectly working fine. Now go back to VS Code, and seems to be everything good. Let me check if something is created or no. Okay, coming back and just start running again. Okay, looks like it's working. Let's see. Not generated any error so far. Okay, perfect. Successfully pulled images and started running. So now we realize that the credential is required here, as well as we need to sign in PowerShell. I'm in on the CLI, so it start fetch data from the backend. Okay, so now let's go back to the Docker services and see. Okay, perfect. In the images section, it's fetched, and in the container, it's running 30 seconds. If you want to verify rest of things like whether it is running on 8080 or not, so let me go back to the Docker URL and localhost 8080, and you can see Nginx is working. So at the end, we got to know how to generate personal access token, and we can first execute this on CLI client. You can see here I was missing here CLI client. Okay, so first we authenticated on CLI, then it started working on VS Code as well. Okay, so either we can execute here as well to get the credentials synced. Okay, so that was the thing I wanted to highlight, and if you like the video, kindly do subscribe, share and comment. Thank you so much.